Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most underrated foods in nature. Pumpkin seeds. Small, crunchy, nutritious. Many people throw them away when preparing pumpkin. But these tiny seeds contain valuable nutrients. Let's begin with magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium. Your body needs magnesium for hundreds of important functions. It supports muscles, nerves, overall wellness. Another important benefit is zinc. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc. Zinc supports your immune system. Your body uses this mineral every day. Then comes heart health. Pumpkin seeds contain healthy fats plus minerals. These nutrients support normal cardiovascular function. Another important area is sleep. Pumpkin seeds contain nutrients connected with relaxation. Many people enjoy them as an evening snack. Now let's talk about brain health. The nutrients found in pumpkin seeds support normal brain function. Your body needs balanced nutrition for focus, memory, daily performance. Another important benefit is antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds contain natural compounds that help protect cells from oxidative stress. This supports healthy aging. Then comes digestion. Pumpkin seeds contain fiber. Fiber supports gut health. Your digestive system works more comfortably. Another advantage is energy. Pumpkin seeds provide nutrients that help support daily activity. They are small but very filling. Now let's discuss skin and hair. The minerals found in pumpkin seeds support overall wellness. Many people include seeds as part of a balanced, beauty-focused diet. Another interesting fact is convenience. Pumpkin seeds are easy to carry, easy to store, easy to add to salads, yogurt, oatmeal, healthy snacks. But here is the truth. Even healthy foods should be consumed in moderation. A small handful is usually enough. Balance always matters. Now here is the key message. Sometimes the smallest foods contain the biggest surprises. Pumpkin seeds may support heart health, digestion, immunity, daily nutrition. Simple, healthy habits repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.